We've been working together for 10 years or more,
That's fine.
and we've done a lot of wells. Tell me why it's so important to put a well in a place like Kauje.
Yeah, we want this well is so important because this place they don't have water. One of the reasons, another reason is that they don't have springs in this area, whereby during the dry season, here people don't have where to get water. They have to move almost 5 kilometers and beyond to get water. And most of people who go and fetch water, they are women and children. So it is a very big problem. So when it's placed in such a place, it is in the central location, we have community on the other side, we have community on the other side, we have community on the other side. All of them they will gather here and they will get this water.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We the people of Kauje, we are very happy to this organization to give us a bower in this village of Kauje in the Butaria district.